Hey guys, it's Robert Kennedy, the third RK3, and I'm glad that you're here today. I want to share a quick tutorial with you. In the Purpose, Power, Profit Club 3PC, we've been talking about positioning and visibility, and one of the ways that you can do that is through blogging. And so I want to share with you Wordpresscom, a way to really get your message out there, a way to really start moving forward and sharing your thoughts, your ideas, your solutions with the world, with the people that need you, that need to hear from you, because you are a gift. You are really empowered to share with others this thing, your gifts, your talents, your skills, your abilities. So here's what we want to do. I want to just take you through the process of starting a blog using Wordpress.com. Now, there are other blogging platforms. You've got one called Tumblr, TUMBLR.com. You've got Blogger.com. A Blogger is pretty neat because it is a part of the Google ecosystem. And once you have a Google or Gmail address, you can get a Blogger blog pretty easily. And you can create some buzz in that way in connecting with other bloggers, people that are using the same platform, right? So now there is another newer blogging platform called Medium, and that's really neat because as it says at the top here, everyone's stories and ideas. You see people's ideas and you can get some ideas about what you want to write, figure out what's trending, what's important to people, and you can tag onto that and really start to form some networks and connections that way. But if you're just getting started and you want to develop a blog, WordPress.com is still the #1 blogging website out there. Now, there's a difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is the blogging website when you just you put your information online. Here, WordPress.org is if you want to have a self-hosted blog, hosting a blog on your own website, and you can go to WordPress.org to download the software that you need, as well as plugins and things that you need to maintain that WordPress.org or your WordPress website. Okay, so we're going to start with WordPress.com, and I'm going to go and type in an address. It's a subdomain here, and so I'm just going to type in purposepowerprofit.com. You see it popping up there because I was practicing earlier. So I'm going to click Create Website, and here's what I want to do. I want to type in my email address. I'm going to blur it out so you guys don't see it and email me all the time. So I've got that. I'm going to type in a username, and then I want to put in a password, and that password should be a good password using an uppercase, a lowercase letter, character, number, and symbol like exclamation mark, number sign, asterisk, etc. So it automatically types in a blog address for me, and you see that there are 3 different types of WordPress.com sites: beginner, premium, and business. And you see that there's some different characteristics or parameters for each. Right now, I just want to start with the free, and you should too. Just start with the free. I'm going to click Create a Blog, and it creates a blog for me. Now, when it does that, it sends something to my email address, and I'm going to go into my email soon so that I can do what I need to do so that I can verify it. Okay, so I'm gonna, since I've practiced this before, I'm gonna skip the tagline and I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna click Next Step. So now I choose a theme. That's always fun. There's some themes that are pretty standard, or there's some themes that are free, and then there's some that you pay for, premium themes. Right now, we don't need to do a premium theme. We're just gonna choose an easy one. I'm gonna choose Show More Themes, and let's see what we've got out there. We've got, let's just choose the writer theme. That's pretty neat, so I'm going to choose that one. Okay, and then it loads up, and you can kind of see the preview, what it looks like. If I wanted to customize it, change the background, change the colors, the header, and all of that, I would click this Customize It button. But right now, I'm about speed. I just want to get this up, so I'm going to click Next Step. Okay? If I want to share my blogs, one of the things that you should probably do is connect this to Twitter, Facebook, so that when you create a post, it automatically posts it to these platforms for you. Because when you share them, you get more likes, comments, and views. All right, so I'm just going to click next step. I'm not going to connect those just yet. You can do that a little bit later on if you want. So I've got to verify my email address. So let me do that. I'm clicking confirm. Okay. So now that I've confirmed it, it tells me that I can add and publish posts on my blog. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to click add a new post. Beep, beep, boop. And so now I'm going to put welcome to my site. I'm writing my first blog. What do you think about it? All right. So once I have put my information in, if I want to add an image or something like that, let me do that so you can see it. I can click add media. I don't have any pictures there, so let me just drop a file. I'm going to drop a picture of me screaming into a microphone when I'm speaking. So let me see. I'm going to insert that into the post. There's Robert. And when I'm done, I'm going to click publish. Actually, let me choose a featured image as well. I'm going to set featured image. Let me see what we've got. I'm going to put another picture of Robert speaking. All right. So once I've done that, I'm going to click publish. Beep, beep, boop. And so my post is published. And I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to click view post. And here is my post. I didn't do anything special here, but you're going to see that I have other posts as I continue to post. These will move down. Okay, so if I go up to the top here, because I'm logged in, I can click new post if I wanted to add a new post. Let's do that, and I'll just say this is post number 2. Okay, and so now I am going to add a featured image to this one as well. And let's see what we've got. Okay, friend of mine, Hard Body Outdoor Fitness. I'm gonna publish that so you're seeing what's happening here. Beep, beep, boop. And I'm gonna click view post. And it says post number 2. And if I click on the link here, you'll see that it takes me back to the home page. And I've got 2 blogs. Okay, so now all I need to do is share that with people. If I want to, I can click on Wordpresscom, the logo up at the top right, and it takes me to a main reader page. And so there are other WordPress blogs there, and I can follow and comment on other blogs. And that's kind of how I build up some visibility as well. In addition to sharing it on my Facebook, on my Twitter, on my Pinterest, on my LinkedIn, I can build up some visibility by following other blogs as well and commenting on those blogs. All right, so that's it today, guys, and I hope you learned something from that.